So in the video, it says that the idle air control valve is right inside this area here. Okay, and it showed the mechanic loosening this clamp, okay, and loosening this clamp here, okay, and disconnecting this hose, all right, and disconnecting it might be that hose and a sensor clamp that's over here, so that you can then loosen these up, and inside here is the air filter, and that once that is done, you can lift this whole box out and yank it towards you, so that you have this big opening in here, and in there is the idle air control valve. So by looking at this here, it doesn't look like anybody's touched this but me just now when I rubbed that dust off of there. There are no fingerprints. The screw doesn't look like it's been turned in a while. All right, none of these things look like they have fingerprints on them, like they've been taken off. That clamp right here would have had to been clipped down and moved over, which would have left a mark for sure. So I had work done, and they said that that's what they replaced, was this idle air controller valve. Okay, so I said my car had alternator problems. So while fixing the idle air control valve, they decided to just go right ahead and give me a new alternator, because the one that they had installed previously to this was bad. So 2 days later, I had to go back and they changed it. Then they put one in and I had a problem. And now I come back and I got charged hundreds of dollars for idle air control valve, and all they did was change this alternator. So I'm looking for a mechanic that would want to look at my car and just inspect to see what type of work was done on this car. Okay, because if this is what happened, this is not a good shop to take your car to. Okay, and I will name the shop if they didn't do the work they said they were supposed to do. All right, so this is going to be me signing out. But again, I don't see any evidence of anyone touching or moving or doing anything to get to an idle air control valve. But I do have a brand new alternator. Check that out. Brand spanking new. Because the problems I had before I took the car were electrical. Had nothing to do with my car idling. But we're going to find out. This is me signing out for now.